Welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this. This integral is very easy. Look at here, we have this expression x raised to minus 1 by 2. Here in denominator we have x raised to 1 by 3. So let's try to bring these fractions into some integer. LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. So we know that LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 3s are 6. So let's substitute x equals to u raised to 6. Therefore, x raised to minus half is equals to, so I am multiplying x raised to minus half on both sides. So this same as u raised to 6 into minus half. If I cancel this, it becomes u raised to minus 3. Okay. Otherwise, what we can do, I think we can bring this down. This I can bring x raised to half 1 plus x raised to 1 by 3 dx. If you do like this, then x raised to half become this. X raised to half is what? U cube. Similarly, x raised to 1 by 3 equals to u raised to 6 into 1 by 3 is become u square. Now we need to convert this dx in terms of du. So let's differentiate this. So dx, differentiation of this with respect to x is equals to 6 u raised to 5 du. Now let's substitute over here. So this is equals to, what is dx? Dx is 6 u raised to 5 du upon x raised to half means what? U raised to cube. U raised to cube 1 plus u square is equals to integral. This is my substitutions. So 6 I can take outside since it is constant. So u raised to 5 du upon, here we have u cube, here we have u5. So this becomes u square. So 5 minus 3 is u square. Here we have 1 plus u square. In denominator we have 1 plus u square. In numerator we have u square. So I can adjust plus 1 as well as minus 1. Here plus 1 as well as minus 1. Why? Because in denominator I can see here 1 plus u square. Okay. So into du is equals to integral 1 plus u square upon 1 plus u square minus, I am separating this upon this and this upon this. So 1 upon 1 plus u square integral du, here also du. So is equals to, now 1 plus u square gets cancelled. So integral of du is become u. So here u minus, here integral 1 upon 1 plus x square is, we have tan inverse u. So this is same as tan inverse u plus some constant of integration. What is u? U is come back. What is u? From here we can find u. So from here u6 equals to x. This implies u equals to x raised to what? 1 by 6. So instead of u, I can write x raised to 1 by 6 minus tan inverse x raised to 1 by 6 plus some constant. So this is the required answer for this integral.